Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking 3 to 10 photos that share the same orientation and resolution, because consistent sizing prevents jitter. Open your chosen editor or free WebGIF tool now and import those copies, not the originals, so you can experiment safely. Once imported, arrange images in the order you want the motion to appear and set each frame duration roughly between 0, 5 and 0. 5 seconds depending on speed. Make sure you choose loop forever if you want continuous playback. Next, you refine each frame. Crop and align elements so motion reads smoothly because misalignment creates jitter. You should also balance exposure and color across frames. Use auto match or manual sliders to avoid flicker. Once frames look consistent, set timing. Shorter times create smoother motion. Longer times emphasize individual frames. Preview the animation repeatedly, make micro adjustments to timing and transitions, and consider using a simple dissolve or frame blend if the editor offers it to hide small jumps. To finish, export the animation as a GIF and pick settings that balance quality and file size. Choose reasonable dimensions and limit colors if needed. Once exported, optimize by reducing total frames or enabling dithering options to lower artifacts without wrecking clarity. If playback looks glitchy, reopen the project. Check alignment, consistent color/exposure, and frame durations. Make tiny timing tweaks, then export again. If file size is still too large, reduce dimensions by 25% or remove every second frame to preserve the motion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.